Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Papel Construccion Colores, measuring 12 by 18 inches. If you're looking for high-quality construction paper that's perfect for crafting, school projects, or any artistic creation, this pack from Colorations is definitely worth your attention. This construction paper pack comes with 300 heavyweight sheets in 10 assorted colors. The size of each sheet is a generous 12 inches by 18 inches, making it ideal for larger projects that require more surface area. What makes this pack stand out is the variety and quantity of colors included. You get 80 sheets of white, 40 red, 40 green, 30 blue, 30 yellow, 25 orange, 20 black, 15 purple, 10 brown, and 10 pink sheets. This assortment gives you more of the colors you are likely to use the most, and the balance ensures you have enough variety for almost any project. The paper itself is classroom grade, designed to be durable and versatile. It's made from 50-pound paper stock, so it's heavyweight, which means it folds cleanly without cracking and cuts easily with scissors. This makes it perfect not just for kids but for teachers and hobbyists who want reliable paper that holds up well under different craft techniques. The uncoated finish of the paper means it's great to use with a wide range of art supplies. Whether you prefer markers, crayons, colored pencils, chalk, or even paint, this paper handles it all with ease. It's chemical-free, which adds to its appeal for parents and educators who prioritize safety and eco-friendliness. Because of its thickness and quality, this construction paper is excellent for a variety of uses, including drawing, coloring, painting, and creating crafts. It's also perfect for homeschool environments or classroom settings, providing an ample supply of materials for multiple students or ongoing projects. Another great advantage of this pack is the smart multi-pack design. It offers more sheets of the colors that tend to run out fastest, which means less frustration and more creativity without constantly having to buy extras. Plus, the large sheet size gives more freedom for creative projects, from making posters and banners to cutting out shapes for decorations. Shipping to various locations is available, and the product is sold and shipped by Amazon, ensuring a smooth purchasing process. Overall, this Colorations construction paper pack offers a balance of quality, quantity, and color variety that's hard to beat. If you're in the market for dependable, vibrant construction paper that caters to all your arts and crafts needs, this pack is a fantastic choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations.